So you have a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and you have an issue where the screen is frozen or unresponsive, or maybe you're stuck on an app and you're not able to restart or power down. You go the traditional way here. Oops, volume down, power. Maybe this power off menu doesn't appear. Maybe it does and you tap on restart or power off, it doesn't do nothing, okay? Anyway, obviously this phone is fixed, but pretend the screen here is frozen. The only thing you gotta do is force a restart, okay? So how you do that is very simple. All you gotta do is hold down two keys, all right? Simultaneously, it's gonna be the volume down and power. Press and hold both buttons. Keep holding for about 10 seconds or just wait until the screen here turns black and then let go. We'll do it together. Volume down, power, ready, go. Press and hold both buttons. Just keep holding for like 10 seconds or just wait until the screen turns black. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now go ahead and let go. Now you want to wait up to 1 minute. It should boot up within 1 minute. If it doesn't boot back up automatically after 1 minute, then I'm going to press and hold that power button until it boots up. Anyway, we're going to wait until it boots up. And there we go. It's automatically turning on now. Now, if it still didn't turn on after 1 minute, then I would press and hold that power button until it boots up automatically. Anyway, I'm going to wait for it to boot back up. And you should no longer have a frozen screen. If it gets frozen again, then just do the same thing with the force restart again. Pretty simple.